Good morning, everybody. Welcome to our lesson today. Today we shall be dealing with Telegram. And we say Telegram is a way of sending a message through the post office. Is what is called a telegram. Telegram is a way of sending a message through post office. Initially, we never had such technologies like mobile phones, so we used to send messages through the post office. So a way of sending a message through the post office is what is called telegram. So you send a message through the post office. So what they do now, they will charge you after weighing the words. So they normally count the words, then they charge you when you are sending the message. So let us see here. There's a question. You are told, and also another very important thing I would like to tell you is that when we are dealing with Telegram, comma, full stops, abbreviations are also counted as words. So when you see a full stop somewhere, we count it as words, and when you see a full stop, we also count it as words, and also commas, full stops, those things are counted as words. So let us see now. Here you are told how much did Abdi pay to send the following telegram. How much did Abdi pay to send the following telegram? The following telegram. So we write now the words Milton, 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 Kangoni, Kangoni, box 35, Hamisi, report, Hamisi report, Hamisi report urgently. Hamisi report urgently. Mombasa, Mombasa, job, Nyali, hotel, hotel, bring certificates, bring certificates, bring certificates, Abdi. So the person sends a message to the post office, and when we are sending a message, we don't use the primary verbs or conjunctions, because if you use them, you'll be charged more. So for example, you send a message when you are sick, you tell your mother that mom, Abdi sick. So in short, so here the first thing we do is to count the number of words. Let us count the number of words. The first thing, we count the number of words. So we count the number of words. The first thing, telegram, you count the number of words. So how many words are here? So we have 1, Milton, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we have 14 words. Remember, there's no full stop. That's why there's no full stop, because we say full stop and commas are counted as words. So here there are 14 words. So number of words, 14. There are 14 words now. And now here you are given the rate. Here they say that now there's a rate here you are given. The rate charged, the rate charged is shillings 10 for 10 words. Rate charge is shillings 10 for 10 words. For shillings 10 for 10 words. Then you are told each additional word was charged at the rate of shillings 1. Each additional word, each additional word is charged shillings 1. Then you are told a tax of 18% is also charged. A tax of 18% is also charged. A tax of 18% is also charged on the total amount. On the total amount. On the total amount. So this is the rate now. I said when you are sending, you will be charged. So what do they do now? The rate they charge, they said now shillings 10 for the first 10 words. For the first 10 words is shillings 10. Any extra word, additional word means each additional word, which each extra word. After an extra word means words that comes after 10. The first 10. If they are 14, see, remember here we say there are 14 words. If they are 14 words, remember we say if there are 14 words, 4 are extra. The first 10 words, then there are 4. After 10 words, there are 4 words. So they said it's charged shillings 1. Extra words are charged, each one at shillings 1. The government tax is also charged. You will be charged 18% of the total amount you are sending. Words you are sending. So the question A, it's saying, question A, let us find also the number of words. They said find the number of words. The number of words are 14. We have already answered that. The number of words are that. How much did he pay for the telegram? Question B, how much did he pay for the telegram? How much did he pay for the telegram? Questionnaire was to find the number of words. The number of words are 14. Then they said there are 14 words. So shillings 10 for the first 10 words. So the first 10 words is equals to shillings 10. First 10 words, shillings 10. Then they said additional words. Additional words means extra words after 10. Extra words or additional words are the same. Extra words, there were 14 words, so 14 minus 10, 4. Extra words are 4 words. So they said each additional word, each extra word is charged at shillings 1. Extra words are 4. Each one is charged shillings 1. So we say now shillings 1 times 4 extra words. That is now shillings 4. So the first 10 words, you are charged shillings 10. Extra words, each extra word they told you will pay shillings 1. There were 4 extra words. Each one is 4, so shillings 4. What do we do now? We add the 2 amount now. So the first 10 words, shillings 10. So here we have shillings 10 plus shillings 4, the extra words, shillings 4. The total amount is shillings 14. The total amount is shillings 14. Now, then you are charged a tax of 18%. Government tax, ushuru. So this tax of 18%. So you are told this tax of 18%. So there are 2 ways we can do. But simple way, what you do, the first thing you do, you can say 18 of 100 times 14. So you say 18 out of 100 multiplied by 14, shillings 14, the total amount. So I remember when we are dealing with Telegram, we don't say by 2, we don't simplify, we only need the decimals. So what you do now, you cancel, you put the decimal there. You cancel, you put that decimal there. So what you do, you don't say by 2, 1 by 2, no. We only want the decimal points in Telegram, take care. So 1.8 times 1.4, you multiply now. So let's say now 18 times 14. 2 carry 3, 7 plus 1, 8. 8. 32, 2, sorry. 32, 2 carry 3. 4 plus 3, 7, 8, 1. So 2, 5, 2. So 32 carry 3, 4 plus 3, 7, 8, 1. So you will get this. How many decimal points now? Each one had a decimal. 1, 2, 1, 2. So you will get now shillings 2.52. total amount now plus now the total amount you add. Don't forget, please, plus 1.4. You re-add the amount that was taxed. So 29.3 shillings. That is how we do. So it is 3.92, 3.3 plus 14. The total amount was 14 shillings plus 14. Then 0.0029 6 1 2 5 6 1. So you will get 16.52. 16.52. That is now the amount, total amount charged. I'm repeating. You're told how much did he pay for sending the telegram. First thing you find, you must count the number of words. So how many words are here? There are 14. The number of words, 14. There are 14 words here. Then there is a rate they charge. The rate charged is shillings 10 for 10 words. For the first 10 words, you will pay shillings 10. Each additional word, each extra word after 10 is charged at shillings 1. Shillings 1. A tax of 18% is also charged on the total amount. So what we do now, there are 14 words. Extra words after 10, 4. There are 4. Then now, here the question was asking how much did he pay for the telegram. So the first 10 words for shillings 10. You put it somewhere. Extra words, they are 4. After 10, they are 4, 14 words. So each one is charged at shillings 1. Shillings 1 times 4 extra words, you will get shillings 4. What do we do now? What we do, we add the total, the two amounts now. The first 10 words, shillings 10. The extra words, shillings 4. 10 plus 4, you'll get shillings 14 now. That is the total amount. So your tax of 18% is also charged. What you do now, you say 18 of 100 multiplied by the total amount, shillings 14. So I say don't say it by 2, don't simplify. You need the cents now. So what you cancel, you put the decimal here. You cancel, you put the decimal here. 1.8 times 1.4, you will get 2.52 plus the total amount, which was shillings 14 now. So 2.52 plus shillings 14, now you will get 16.52. 16.52. We go to another question. What will be the cost of sending the following telegram? What will be the cost of sending the following telegram? What will be the cost of sending the following telegram? What will be the cost of sending the following telegram? George Kibui Njau, Kibui Njau, George Kibui Njau. Congratulations for achieving your dream. Congratulations for achieving your dream. Goal of publishing the book. Publishing the book. Ochieng Caleb. You are given now rate. You are told the rate is shillings 3 for 10 words. Shillings 3 for 10. Shillings 3 for 10 words. Or less. 30 cents for each additional word. 30 cents for each additional word. 30 cents for each additional word. 10% government tax of the total. Additional word, 10% of government tax. 10% government tax. 10% government tax of total of the total. Of the total. Then the question is asking now what was the cost of the sending telegram, and this is now the rate. The first thing we do, we count the number of words. We have George, we have Kabui, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There's no full stop. So there are 15 words. Number of words, 15. There are 15 words. Total number of words are 15. So they said each additional word. Additional words means extra words. Words that comes after 10 is 5. So additional words is 15 minus 10, which is 5. These are extra words. 5 words. These are extra words. These are extra words. Now, they said each additional word is charged at shillings 30 cents. Each additional word, is charged 30 cents. So the first 10 words or less means if the total words are 8 or 9, it's shillings 10. So it means or less means it can be 8, it can be 9, less than 10. So each additional word is 30 cents. So there are 5 words additional. So extra words are 5 times 30 cents. So here you will get 150 cents. These are 150 cents. And the first 10 words is shillings 3. The first 10 words, shillings 3. The first 10 words they say is shillings 3. Extra words 5. Each 30 cents, 150 cents. Here now is where the problem comes now. Here is where the problem comes now, the cents. What we do, the first 10 words, shillings 3. Extra words are 5, each one 30 cents. So 150 cents. What we do, we have to add the two amounts. But this one is in cent and the other one is in shillings. What do? We change the cent into shillings now. And remember one thing, 1 shilling has got 100 cents. 1 shilling has got 100 cents. So if 1 shilling has got 100 cents now, to change this one into shilling, we divide it now. So 150 cents we change to shillings now, divide by 100 now. So you will get 1 shillings and 5 cents. So that's how, whenever you are changing the cents into shillings, you divide it by 100 because a shilling has got 100 cents. Now we have is equals to 1 shillings and what? 5 cents. What do we do now with the two amounts? We add now. The first 10 words, shillings 3. That is shillings 3.00 cents. Plus the extra words, we are given 150 cents. We change the 150 cents into shillings. You will get 1.5. 1.5 means 1 shillings and 5 cents. You add now and 5 cents now. So you get 5.4. So you will get 4 shillings and 50 cents. What do we do now? You are told a tax of 10%. Government tax was also charged this one. So we say now 10% times 4.5 times 4.5. We cancel 0, we cancel 0. We don't say by 5. No, we need the decimal. So what we do now, this one is 1 and this one is over 10. You cancel now, the point will move 1 step to this side now. When we are dividing, the point will move. When we are multiplying, the point goes outside, moves to this side. But when it's dividing, the point moves to this side now. So the point will migrate now, will move to one side to this side, 1 step to this side, so it will become 0. So the answer is now 0.45. 0.45. What do we do now? We add the total amount. The total amount was 4.5. So we say now for shillings 4.5 plus 0.45. You add 5, 9.4. So it is shillings 4.95. 4 shillings and 95 cents. That's how we do. It's very, very easy. If you understand, you are told here, you are told what will be the sending of the following telegram. You are told, George, the first thing you do, you count the number of words. After counting the number of words, then you follow the instruction you are given. So here, we are told 3 shillings for 10 words or less. If the words are 7, shillings 3, because they said or less. If the words are 8, shillings 3. If the words are 10, shillings 3. But any extra word, each extra word, each additional word after 10 will be charged 30 cents. So now the first, and also 10% of tax was also charged on the total now, of the total. What you do now, you first find the number of words now. The number of words, they are 15. The first 10 words was charged at shillings 3. Then you are told additional words. Additional words that comes after 10, they are 5 extra words. So 15, totally 15. So 15 minus 10, 5 words are extra. So each one now was charged at 30 cents now. So we say 5 times 30 cents, you will get 150 cents. Whenever you are given a cent, what you do, you change the cent into a shilling. How do you change the cent into a shilling? You divide it by 100 now. To change it, because 1 shilling has got 100 cents. That's what you should know. 1 shilling has got 100 cents. So 150 cents divided by 100. Now we are changing to shillings. You will get 1 shillings and 5 cents. Plus the shillings 3 that was charged for the first 10 words. So 3 plus 1.5, you will get shillings 4 and 50 cents. A tax of 10% was also charged on the total. 10 of 100 times 4.5. You kill the 0, you kill the other 0. What you do, I said you don't simplify, you don't say by 2 because we need the cents. So you cancel this one, the point will move 1 step to this side. So it will become 0.45. So 0.45. Then now you re-add. Do not forget, learners normally forget to add. So 4.5, the initial total amount, plus your answer 0.45, you will get 4.95 shillings, 4.95 cents. That's how we do. That's how we do. Let us do another one. Here you are told the charges for sending a telegram was shilling 6. The charges for sending a telegram was shilling 6. Sending a telegram was shilling 6 for the first 10 words. For the first 10 words. Then you are told every word after 10, every word after 10 words cost 60 cents. Cost 60 cents. Then a tax of 20% was also charged. Was also charged. Government tax was also charged 20%. Then you are told now how much did Mudhoni pay to send the following telegram. How much did Mudhoni pay to send the following telegram? Pay to send the following telegram. The following telegram. So we write now. Telegram, Wadugu James, box 21, Larry, box 21, Larry, come, Fenarol, August 20, 2 burial sister Mudoni. There's no full stop. Telegram, we say we don't use primary verbs or helping verbs. We don't also use the conjunctions because we avoid the charges. So they say, Undugu James, the first thing we do, we must find the number of words. Number of words. How many words are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. They are 12 words, no full stop. Number of words, 12. Extra words, extra means they will tell you also additional. Extra words, 2. Because we say 12 minus first 10 words, 2 words. Then they said the first 10 words, shillings. First 10 words shillings 6. Then they said 60 cents for extra word. Every extra word, extra means additional words. They said shillings, not shillings, 60 cents. 60 cents. Now we must find the extra words. Extra words here we said there are 2. So extra words is equals to 2 multiplied by now 60, each one 60 cents. So here you will get 120 cents. You will get 120 cents. After getting 120 cents, what do? I always say you change the cents into shilling. How do we change? We said 1 shilling has got what? 100 cents. So we divide it by, whenever you are given a cent, divide it by 100 to change it to shillings. Divide it by 100. Cancel. You don't say by 2. We need cents. Cancel. You introduce a point there. So you will get shillings 1 and 2 cents. That's how we get. What do we do now? We added the 2 amount. The first 10 words, shillings 6. Extra words, 1.2. We add now 6.0 plus 1.2. So you get 2.7. 7.2. That is the amount, total amount. A tax of 10% was charged for the total. 10 out of 100 times 7.2. Times 7.2, the total amount. We cancel. The zeros we kill, but we don't say by 2. What will happen now? This one I said earlier, here 0 remains. You cancel the 0, the point will move to this side by 1 step. So it will become 0. So the answer is 0.72. What do we do now with that answer? No, we re-add the total amount. So 7.2 plus 7.2 plus 0.72. That is 9.7 shillings. So you will get 7.92. So you will get shillings 7.92. I'm repeating. You are told the charges for sending a telegram was shilling 6 for the first 10 words. Every word after 10 words cost 60 cents. A tax of, so here is 10%, sorry. We used 10. A tax of 10% was also charged. How much did Mudoni pay to send the following telegram? First thing you do, you count the number of words. We counted the number of words. Number of words, 12. Extra after 10, 2. The number of words here after 10 is 2. Extra words is 12 minus the original former 10. You'll get 2 words. These are extra words. Then we came here. We said the first 10 words, shilling 6. Extra words, 60 cents. So each extra word was charged 60 cents. So we said 60 times 2, you will get 120 cents. Whenever you are given a cent, what you do, you divide it by 100 to change into a shilling. Cancel. You will get shillings 1.2. So you add the 2 now. The first 10, shilling 6 plus 1.2, you will get shilling 7.2. So a tax was charged. 10 out of 100 times shilling 7.2, you will get 0.72. So 7.2 plus you add 7.2, you will get shilling 7.92. That is now the total amount you are supposed to find. So For tomorrow, we shall do some questions of it. So we shall stop it there. I wish you all the best.